Hello everybody, Jellyfish here back with another video playing some Imperium today. Now this is a Flash game that came out in 2008, released by the studio Max Games. I played a little bit of this back in the day. I don't think I ever even came close to finishing it though, so I'm excited to see what kind of damage we can do and carving out our own empire here. So without any further ado, let's go. Alrighty, and we're going to be starting a new game here. Welcome to Imperium. First step, select your empire. Alright. Looks like we can select between these two here. This one looks like the Zargos Empire is right here, and the Artavera Empire is right here. In looking at the map, seeing that this one is back to the sea as opposed to this one being completely surrounded by enemy forces, I feel like having not played this game since I was in elementary school, probably going to end up going with this one here, just for that reason. Customize your goods. Oh, okay, I see how this works. Let's just start off, give each one 20 maybe. 20, 20, 20, and 20. There we go. Higher goods equals easier game. We have 10 left. Maybe let's put it 5 into iron. 5 into money? Why not? Don't want to make this too hard on ourselves, so I think we're just going to go with normal mode here. As the computer thinks. There we go. Alright, let's go through the guide. First, you must know about the goods and troops in your city. Here it shows how many goods and troops are in. Okay, yeah. Yep, this is our information. Yep, okay. Use the arrows to click to see more shit. Building. I remember how to build. I actually do kind of remember this game. This is all coming back to me here. Gotcha. Sorry, yeah, I'm not gonna read all these out loud. Gotcha. And we're good. Alrighty. Starting off, looks like we have some good amount of resources here. First step is always gonna have to build a house. I think next up we're going to probably need some food. This seems like a good location for a carpenter as well. Man, it's all coming back. Jellyfish getting into it here. Alrighty. It'd be nice to get... Oop, not that. Perhaps get an iron mine out here. Nice. So all that's going up. A market. We need a market to make some monies. We'll just throw... Nope, not what I wanted. My goodness. Throw a nice one there. Honestly, let's upgrade it right away. Oh, not enough workers. That's fine. So yeah, this is pretty much like a empire building game. We'll take a look at the map quick. Yeah, you just have to invade each part of the map there. Build up your empire, build up your cities. And each city having its own economy that you can specifically target towards. One making arrows, one's producing iron, you know. Let's get another miner in here. Oh, that's right, we need workers. Excuse me. I think that's a great place for a house. Let's upgrade that right away. And now what we need to do... Definitely need probably one more food. It might be worth it to just fill this up with food since this is our waterfront here. We know we're going to do that eventually. Food can also be something that we're exporting since we're now producing a lot of it. If we end up upgrading this, we might as well. Throw a worker hut right next to it. Beautiful, beautiful. Honestly, I say we get a barracks down right away, as well as spears, and we might as well get some bows going right away. We might as well. Boom. Definitely gonna need some more iron, it's looking like. Gonna plant that. Not enough money. Ooh. We are losing money at the moment. So what we're gonna do... It's going back up. I still say we export... Take out 50% food, 25, 25. Boom. Excuse me. What do I want to do? I think it'd be worth it to throw down another market, honestly, though. Upgrade it right away. Might as well. Now we can come down here, throw another carpenter in. Now we need some housing. I'd say we throw 2 in right here. Why not? Come down here. We can even upgrade this guy. Beautiful. Making some soldiers. How are our spears coming along? Nope. Nope. 17 spears. And we have 16 bows and 38 soldiers. Okay. Should we upgrade this? Maybe we should upgrade these. Upgrade spears, perhaps. Our iron is going down. So we can go ahead and upgrade this. I think it's worth it to just go ahead and plop another one in right here. Nice. Upgrade it. It's a nice spot for a house. You know, I'd live there. I'd definitely live there. Oh, we're sitting pretty now. It's all coming back. I didn't realize how quickly this would all come back to me here. It might be time to go ahead and upgrade my arrows. We might as well upgrade this too. I want to have a nice like built up force, well supplied with weapons before we engage in combat, because I say once we do, we sweep and we take a large chunk of land, not just 1 or 2 slots. I say we make a push and keep going. Obviously we'll do it a little slower though. I think we might as well like push into like one of our neighbors, hold it, stabilize the region, move on to the next, and then forth, and so on and so forth. Excuse me. But yeah, building up our resources here. Everything's looking fantastic. Honestly, it might be worth it to export a little bit, you know. We can do 25% of wood, 25, 50 as well. I have no idea if this has any impact on whether like our enemies invade us or not. Something we're gonna have to find out though. Nice, we're making good weaponry at the moment. So what does that mean? Oh, so this empire has made a move in our direction. Probably gonna end up targeting this one when we do go to war, just because I like that. I like that location. I don't know. Maybe it's worth it to go for here though, just for that mountain. But then it puts us right up against this. We're gonna be fighting them right away. So we're really gonna need to make sure our forces are well built. Well, most definitely. Go ahead and upgrade this house. We might as well. Things are looking good down here. Excellent. Might as well upgrade all these right away. Well, see, our foods is becoming a bit of a predicament, but good thing we haven't upgraded any of these. So it might be worth it to just go ahead and do that right now. Boom. Throw another one here. Then this can be a lovely beachfront property right there. Who wouldn't want to live there? Nice. We are having really nice buildup of troops. 103 spears, 105 spears, 91. So yeah, we have enough weaponry to supply all of our troops at the moment. And that's good, because they're just going to keep on producing things. They're all in the green right now. We're looking good. And as we move on, too, I think there are things like elephant troops and horse troops. I don't even know, witches and stuff. I've never gotten that far. So I don't know. It'll be interesting to find all that out. Alright, things are still looking good. We gave it a little bit of time there, just to kind of let our forces build up. We have 260 troops now, 165 workers. We might as well do some exporting and just get... Wow, do we need to though? We have a lot of money. Do we only have these 2 marketplaces though? But we're still in the green, so I think we're probably fine for now. But we might have to keep at least 1 space available for another marketplace. Honestly, we're probably getting ready to be able to... what was I going to say? We're getting ready to be able to bear out here for war, it looks like. I would love to get some more spears crafted, however. And that's going to tip our iron. Put that in the red. That's not exactly what we want. So I think it's going to be worth it to go ahead and place another one there. This can be some more beachfront property. Look at that. Nice, and that puts everything back in the green for us. Oh, look at how many soldiers. We have 324 now. Oh, that's awesome. 185 spears. I just want a massive army at this point. I really do. I just want to have like as many soldiers as we possibly can to just completely overwhelm any chance the enemy has. I want 400. I want 400 troops. How are our spears looking now? Oh, we got 239 spears, 200 arrows, 404 soldiers. It might be time. Actions. War. Alright, I say we hit here just so we're not butting up against that other empire. Okay, let's go spear, 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 bow, 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 bow. So that's 5 and 5. I don't know if that's what we want to do or not. Maybe one more spear? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10? Can we get away with this? Oh baby, that kind of worked out perfect. That's fine. Alright, I think we could probably get away with just bringing 50% of everything. Alright. So our first battle, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try to think of a nice formation here. Oh, that's not where I wanted him. That's fine. Oh well. The best laid plans. Nice strong center. We'll just do a nice phalanx formation, even though we don't have the shields to accompany them. And archers in the rear, with extra on this flank, because they're really pushing that flank pretty heavy. And they all just... Come on, boys! They all just kind of go random. Come on, boys! Oh my goodness. Oh, we got him. We got him. Let's take a look at the stats. Enemies killed 99, got some nice money, food, logs, iron. We lost 66, so we did have quite a few casualties. We did. That's like a whole platoon and a half of guys we had. But look at this now. We have access to elephant and horse stables. That's pretty damn interesting. Oh, and we have a gold mine too. My goodness. Right off the bat, we're gonna need some of that. Gonna need some of that. Might as well do 2. Let's see here. Go down here maybe. We can get some logs going. Let's get a nice like self-sufficient society going here. So our logs are going up. Now we need... Probably want to go just 2 and 2. Oh, so there was an attack on Hayes City, but they were unsuccessful. So I don't know what that means. We'll take a look at the map in a second. Another iron mine. Not enough workers. That's okay. Solutions to all kinds of problems. And we might as well do another gold. Cool. Come down here. I think it's probably going to be beneficial to just throw another log cabin in there right away. This can be some more housing. Another fish here. Awesome. Probably, honestly, these can all be housing right here. And now that we have a nice buildup of folk, I say we go ahead and throw in an elephant stable and throw in a horse stable and get like a platoon of each that we can throw on into our forces. That's gonna be awesome. Oh, I see. And we might as well make this like the arrow capital of our, like the arrow producing city. The bow and arrow. That's probably gonna, yeah, I was gonna say that's probably gonna tip our iron over, but we can come in here. That was the wrong one. Oh, I built 3 golds. That's the problem. Oops. Just upgrade it right away. Alright, things are looking good now. Upgrade that. How are we looking? 22 horses, 12 elephants. That's awesome. Oh, so they just took one. Let's take a look at the map. Oh, shit. They're coming. We need troops on the border. Like, really bad. I don't even think we have, like, anything. Soldiers. We'll take 50. 50. And 50. Move. Oh, geez. Now we're losing troops, though. Ah! Ah! No, we're losing troops. There. Oh! Thank you. My goodness. Alright, we need to upgrade all of our housing, if we haven't already. Let's just get it going. Because I believe we're still training troops here. Oh yeah, we are. Nice. We have a ton of spears. Honestly, might be worth it. Oops. Let's move another 25% troops. We'll leave the arrows. And let's take 25% of these spears. Ah, 50%. We're making spears there. So that means we still have this. Okay. Nice. I say we knock them out of that city next. We'll just try to hold that left side of the map. Talking about this one right here. Things are looking good here, though. Could definitely use some more housing. How are we looking for elephant troops? Nice. Need some more, though. We need more than that. Let's go back here. Things are looking good. For the Zargov Empire, I believe it is. We're in the city of Bibaloos. These are both upgraded. So we have a shit ton of arrows. Bow and arrows here, actually. How many do we have here? 177. Is this gonna tip over our iron? That's the question. It is. Ah. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to get one in there. Let's try. Oh! Hey, hey, hey! And then we can throw this back in here. Please, don't tip it over. Hey! Looking good. Might be worth it to throw another house in here too, honestly. Let's keep building up our army here. Take another 83. Probably don't need any arrows. Take another 25 of the spears. Let's take more. Spears is what we need there. And that's kind of our spear capital already. Nice, we have good economies in both though. Almost have 400 here, I think that's... Oh, but we also have, I forgot about our secret weapons, 91 horses. How's our worker situation looking? Oops, wrong way. Look at all the stuff we can get though. That's like the potions and like I don't even get that. Uh-oh. We need housing like now. I say we probably have enough of these, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sell them. Just for now. We'll make more later. Alright. Let's go ahead and export. Just so we can get some nice money. We'll do 25. We do have 84,374 food. We have a shit ton of iron and logs as well. Export. Now we have a bunch of money. And I do wonder if it's going to tip it over if we throw in another arrow. Let's take a look here. No? Oh! We must defend. We have a good army here. We do. Okay, we don't actually have that much infantry though, which is pretty unfortunate. But I kind of have an idea. Ooh. Alrighty, so we have been attacked by a rival empire who, might I add, has grown to completely outreach towards us, directly towards our border. But we have all our troops arranged just the way I think I want them. I know it's a little sporadic with the numbers there, but I think the important thing is that it leaves 0 troops out of the fight. So, let's get into it. And I kind of have an idea for a formation here. I'm going to go with this 97. I know the formations don't mean really like anything, because they all just kind of go random directions as soon as the battle starts, but I think it's kind of cool to line them up. So I'm going to do it. We'll have a nice strong center with our spearmen, backed up on the flanks by our cavalry, equipped with spears as well. In the center here, we're going to have our elephant archers, who just completely glitched out of the fight for some reason. That's pretty unfortunate. And then we're going to have our line of archers in the back here. I guess we'll put one there. Will it not let me? Oh, maybe the elephants are still there because it won't let me put this guy on here. So, fingers crossed that the elephants are still there. Fight, men! For glory! For the Empire! Oh, we're getting our kills in. Our elephants did not show up to the fight. That's pretty unfortunate. Ow, this is a bloody battle though. 179 enemy kills with the victory though. $3,000 in the pocket. We lost 54 horses. That's definitely, look at that. That one regiment is down to 5 on the bottom. In the bottom left corner, this is down to 5 horse troops. That's insane. We lost 41 elephants, so that that elephant group just disappeared and just died, fell into a black hole apparently. We only lost 27 soldiers though, so that was definitely a fight. Down to 363, alrighty. I think it's going to be well worth it to come back down here. And let's reinstall these horses and elephant stables. Start getting those back up. We might as well plop in a house right here, just to supply that. Make sure everything's in the green. And our wood is not. Our wood is not in the green. So what can we do about that? Probably gonna have to get rid of one of these and sell it in or replace it with carpenter, and honestly we could probably put this back out here, and I think we're good to go. Make sure everything's back in the green still. Yep. Alright, then I think we're gonna come down here and immediately, just kidding, let's go here. Throw in one more house just to be safe, because we're about to send a lot of infantry in here because I want to assault like right away. So we're looking good. Actions, move resources. Let's take 50%. Probably don't need any arrows. 50% of the spears. Boom. Then we can come back here, and honestly we could probably even ship out 50 of these bows here. Oop, to there. Maybe not 50, 25. There. Man, we got 500 troops here. $73 horse and 15 elephants. 16 elephants. Let's let that build up a little bit, and then let's go on the offensive. Let's get them, because they're gonna come back for us. You just know they're coming. They're definitely gonna come back for us. Upgrade that. Things are still in the green. We might as well upgrade this, just to make sure our food stays stabilized in this region. I think that's gonna be really important for us. See how many spears we have. We have 551 soldiers, 409 spears, 91 horses. Go back down here. As soon as we get to 100 horses, maybe let's cut it off, because then we can just do 50 and 50. 99. 101. Go ahead and sell these for now. Go ahead and sell this one as well. Might as well. And I say we take the fight to them now. Alrighty. So I'll go through this and be back with you in a second.